Okay, so today we're gonna do a review and also installation on these AutoOne LED backup lights. So I'm not really sure which one is which, but one of them is gonna go on a 2010 Honda Civic, and one of them will go on a 2012 Scion XB. So yeah, we're gonna do a review. I'm gonna post a before and after, comparing it from the OE backup lamps, comparing it to these AutoOne LED backup lights. So yeah, this is going to be a new company. I'm gonna try to review on it. Thank you to AutoOne for sending me these LED lights to try on and do a review on. So yeah, let's get it started. So first things first, for a Honda Civic, we're gonna have to remove this pin right here, and also you gotta have to remove this panel. So just pull it, you know, just kind of push it down on the side, and then you can once you remove this clip right here, you can pop this open. Okay, so after removing this clip right here, you can just push this on the side. Just gotta pull this panel or cover, then you will have an access to your bulb right here for the backup lights. So all you gotta do is pretty much unplug it and put on the new one. So what you want to do is unplug this connector. So there's gonna be a tab right here that you push down, and then you can pull it out, and then from there you can just turn the actual bulb counterclockwise, and then grab it. So this is the old halogen bulb, and we're gonna replace it with the LED bulb. Okay, so this is the old halogen bulb from my Honda Civic. So now we're gonna install these new LED light bulb from AutoOne. So I think the part number for these will be X00373Y0ZF. Okay, so this is gonna be for the Honda Civic. You can take it out of the box. Let's see how it looks. So this is gonna be the new one right here. It's gonna look like these. Comparing it from the older ones. So what we're gonna do is pretty much, well, make sure you use your gloves, but we're not gonna reuse these. So we gotta pull this out. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we have to pull this out. So once you pull this thing out, we're gonna pretty much install the new one. So it's pretty much plug and play. Just gonna install it like these. Push it in. Push it all the way in. So that should be good. So this is gonna be the new LED backup lights, comparing it from the halogen bulb. So we're gonna see how it looks when we install it. We already have the new LED backup lamp, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna install it right back to its housing. So pop that up. Okay, so pretty much the next step after you install the actual LED to its housing, put it back on, count and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And then last thing you have to do is pretty much plug in the connector. So there it is. So we already plug in the connector. So now we're just gonna put everything back, the panel, and also this plastic piece, and then we're gonna do the other side. Kind of look it up inside the housing right there. and let's check it out. So here you can actually see the difference between the new LED compared to the original one that came with the vehicle. So the new LED is much brighter. So overall, I am happy with the outcome. So I would highly recommend you to upgrade your backup lamps to this AutoOne LED. And make sure to check out the link on the description on this video so you can get yours through AutoOne LED's website. I will also leave my discount code so you can get a 50% off your purchase. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe and like button.